Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kids Learn with Fun channel. Kids, in today's video we are going to fun with cardboard activities. Kids, do you know the benefits of cardboard activities are hand-eye coordination, fine motor development, learn about colors and shapes, brain boosting also. Thanks for watching, kids. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.